With the windscreen wipers on your BMW, you make sure you always have a clear view. The wipers and washers for the windscreen and rear screen can be operated via the lever on the right side of the steering wheel. Depending on model and market, operation is as follows. Press the lever downwards once to flick wipe the windscreen. Press the lever up once from the home position to activate the rain sensor for automatic wiping. A green LED indicates an activated rain sensor. Use the knurled wheel on the wiper lever to set the sensitivity of the rain sensor. Turn upwards for high sensitivity or downwards for low sensitivity. Pressing the lever upwards to the second position activates wiping at normal speed. Press the lever further up to the third position to activate fast wiping. Turn the lever downwards to the home position to switch the wiper system off. By pulling the lever, you can clean your windscreen. If your BMW is equipped with a rear wiper, turn the outer switch upwards in order to activate intermittent mode. Engaging reverse gear activates continuous operation. In intermittent operation, turn the outer switch further forward to clean the rear window. The switch returns to the intermittent position when released. When in rest position, turn the switch downwards to clean the rear window. The switch returns to the rest position when released. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.